Alright.
You went there?
3. Eggs in microwave part 2. Microwave duct tape shut.
Safety precautions. Safety glass. Where are our safety glasses?
Yeah, where the hell are safety glasses and shit?
I'm not holding that shit shut this time.
Hell, we saw what one did.
Oh man, my bell's coming.
That would really suck if all 3 of them blew.
They're all getting pissed already. Oh shit, they're rolling around. This is pretty cool. Put my hood up. It's called cheap doors.
Our direction is.
Yeah, hot egg all over.
The tape will hold it.
It should all blow at the same point. You underestimate on YouTube. You underestimate the holding power. You underestimate the holding power of gun.
Hey, we're doing this on air now. Will you please stop talking?
You're a fucking couch. Fuck your couch! Stop it! Stop it!
Evil motherfucker.
I just like to say Dakota is a homosexual. Yes. He likes it in the poop.
You cocksucker.
Cocksucker.
Cock monster.
It's a wet guys. I'm gonna get a power stroke.
I'm gonna get F-150 power stroke.
Dually.
Yeah.
No, dually.
With a turbo on it.
No, it's twin turbo and a supercharger on a switch.
Hold on, the eggs are doing something. They're talking to each other.
They're like, these fuckers.
Egg matcha. Egg matcha. Cock matcha. Egg matcha. I gotta put this on like right away. I'll tell my teacher tomorrow what I can do. We just put a video on.
Yeah, we're going to profanity.
Fuck! Because they all took the quarters. Oh my gosh, one's like. I thought I saw it.
They like go to form and shit. It's cooler now.
What?
They like start to form and the shells are all warped and shit on them. That's what the last one
You
did.
hear them moving? They're growing.
Mm-hmm.
This fucking egg is getting bigger.
How long has it been?
Hell, I don't know.
Long enough that the one in the screen right now has a warped end on it. Yeah, it
Oh,
does.
we are F.
No, we're cooking an egg in there. We're not gonna fucking egg.
Open the thing in the microwave and then shut off like it did with me. I use it as a timer.
Well, my microwave got this over there. It got the circuit breaker. Remember that? Look, we're cooking an egg in there right now.
Oh, right.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, we only got 2 left then.
Stupid fucking egg. It's alright, we're only like 2 minutes in. You fucking faggot.
Yeah. No, we're coming up.
No, that's a chicken. We got a chicken.
It actually looks like one kind of. It's like coming out like.
Like soap in the microwave. Oh shit, what's going moving?
They're fighting. They're disagreeing now.
Whoa.
He's pushing out.
Hey, what's this shit, bitch? They're taking back.
Oh, there goes the phone.
What? It calls somebody while we're blowing the shit up. Oh, it's a close threat. Oh, we just blew our microwave on shit. Did the other egg break too?
Oh, it blew the. Yeah, the wonders. We've got 2 good ones.
I don't know. It tasted delicious. Oh.
Something's gonna happen.
How much time?
That's 3 minutes. 3 minutes, 38 seconds.
1 more minute. Just anything. Come on, Dave. Do your duty, fuck. Oh, the fuck out! Do you hear it? Oh, it's gonna lose an eye! Hey, stretch down. Kyle.
Yeah, same here. I'm trying to look at this paper towel here. Protect me.
It ain't gonna work! Look at it! Stop it!
Let's go to Ollie. Let's get it.
Look at me! Let's go to Ollie. See what's happening in the microwave. Look at blue! How are the eggs coming? I'll have your own microwave! Oh. The water's already open.
That was the one that was already open?
Oh, man. Blew some more.
That's what she said.
4 minutes, 31 seconds.
Come on, egg. Fire the fuck up! Oh, that's it! Go again.
Got 1 more.
Hold on.
Take some more! I think it's cooking the duck egg more.
Oh, geez. Dan, don't
You crackle it, Dan.
Get close.
The other egg stress tested the duct tape. Now it's gonna pop. Duct tape can hold an exploding egg. It can also hold an encoded.
Hey, this is a duct tape commercial.
When we have a soap feeding party.
That sounds kind of gross.
The pillow party where you put the soap.
Let's have a pillow party, guys.
Isn't that what they're called?
No.
Not the way you said it.
And what are we gonna blow up next?
It's a blanket.
Oh,
You can go up credit card bill.
maybe the magnetic string. Let's put a lighter in there.
No, that's way too dangerous. We got to put that outside.
Hey, we can make plasma and all we need is a match.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're
we're
trying
trying
to do that.
Let's put a PCB. Yeah, let's put PCB in there.
Well, that's not cool.
Everybody's seen what happened.
You go,
No, it doesn't. It doesn't go.
it just crackles and makes fun of me.
The other egg.
Pop Tart wrappers make some.
I think so. I think it's since it touched that other egg. I think it did crack open. Because we only got one to explode. Fucking egg. Fuck you, egg. And we got an egg space. No, it's not like so close. We got a scrambled egg and a. It doesn't know. And a funny fucked up egg.
How much time was it done?
We need a cat.
6 seconds.
Get a cat. We'll put it in the microwave.
Oh, kind of like old games on the internet, frog and blender.
And the bottom thing on the YouTube will say, "Can duct tape hold up with a cat in the microwave?" With the microwave on, with the rotisserie, and it's set on 30 minutes. We're doing a duct tape microwave test.
Yeah, what the hell? This is not. How many minutes we had? 6 minutes, 54 seconds.
Damn.
I don't think it's gonna go.
What's the other one?
Okay, hold on.
Then pull the duct tape off of it.
Stop! Boom!
I'm gonna shut off all power right now. Before I do this unsavory.
Store that
What?
my battery.
I know. You know, shit still cooks in the microwave for 3 minutes after it's done. Yes, sir.
I thought we got those two over there.
Open it and poke it.
Hope you got the rest, because I'm just. Yeah, I'm getting it.
We got the first one. Gone in 60 seconds.
Oh!
Did that tape out?
Okay, oh, well, let's open it up. Yeah, it's cracked. It's
Oh,
done.
damn it.
Ah.
I'm saying it's outside.
Give me a fork. Hey, we're gonna get hot, dude. Get a spoon. Curtis tried to pick it up right after the room. He said, "Leave home." Oh my God! Ow! Oh my God! I'm not sure, guys. That's my fucking face.